Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we will learn how to find the area of a trapezium. Let's get started. What is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. The matching arrows show us which sides are parallel. The two parallel sides of a trapezium are labeled A and B. The perpendicular distance between them is the height, labeled h. It does not matter which parallel side is A or B. Remember, the height must be perpendicular to the parallel sides. The area of a trapezium is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the two parallel sides, multiplied by the perpendicular height. In the formula, A and B represent the two parallel sides, and h represents the perpendicular height. Remember to add the two parallel sides first. Let's find the area of this trapezium. The two parallel sides are 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters, and the perpendicular height is 5 centimeters. Using the formula, we add 8 and 4 first, which gives us 12. Then, 1/2 times 12 times 5 equals 30. Therefore, the area of the trapezium is 30 square centimeters. Let's look at another example. The two parallel sides are 15 meters and 9 meters, and the perpendicular height is 6 meters. Using the formula, area equals 1/2 times the sum of the two parallel sides, multiplied by the perpendicular height. First, we add 15 and 9, which gives us 24. Then, 1/2 times 24 times 6 equals 72. Therefore, the area of the trapezium is 72 square meters. Now it's your turn. Find the area of this trapezium. The two parallel sides are 12 centimeters and 6 centimeters, and the perpendicular height is 7 centimeters. Pause the video and work it out. Let's check the answer. First, add 12 and 6, which gives us 18. Then, 1/2 times 18 times 7 equals 63. Therefore, the area of the trapezium is 63 square centimeters. Let's summarize. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. To find its area, first add the lengths of the two parallel sides. Next, multiply the sum by the perpendicular height, and then divide the result by 2. Finally, remember to write the answer in square units. Thanks for watching. Thank you for learning with Maths with Mr. Chow. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe for more easy maths lessons. You can also watch another video to continue learning. See you in the next lesson.